Hey y'all, put your gloves on. Let's tie-dye today. Okay, this is a custom order. Phone. So as always, this shirt has been soaking in soda ash water solution 20 minutes or more and then spun out in the washing machine until damp. This is a custom order. I've got some slop on it from the bucket that it was in. It doesn't matter because we're gonna tie-dye over it because they like dark colors. So we're going to be using they want greens, purples, and blues, and I have some really cool colors that are going to go blend into each other really well, especially with hot water, because you know I love me some hot water. So I'm going to basically make an angle of a color and then have it bleed out into crinkles on either side. So this is my washer marker. We've done shirts like this before. And I'm just going to fan fold on this line loosely. We want it doesn't have to be perfect because we're not making like a line design. I'm just doing 3 colors blending into each other. So I'm just pushing kind of along that line so I know kind of where my sections are, and that's how we're doing it, in just sections. And then the same over here, just kind of pushing it together. I'm not fan folding. I changed my mind. I ain't done this like in public for a while. So see that line? That way then I just know that this section is going to be a color, and that's all. And then I'm just going to crinkle this in because the breakout of the color from the hot water is going to cause peaks and valleys, and it'll break out into its own colors. And then I'm just going to rubber band that. Okay, we're gonna do hot water because you know I love hot water. I got my extra soda ash, my zhuzh powder. So they like purple, green, and blue. So my rubber band has broke and it's failing quickly. All right, it's fine. It's fine. I went with all of the turquoise base because with hot water, with ice, the colors break out into their components. So this way they will all be como se dice, they will all have a common factor in with that turquoise. So on the purple side I'm going to use raspberry and blue violet. So these are turquoise based. And how do I know? Because can you see that little T right there? Turquoise based. So this is going to be my purple side, which will be here. The blue will be in the middle because blue will go into both green and purple. If I put green in the middle, if the green goes into the purple, they could have a little bit of a fight. So we're not going to allow that. We're going to level the playing ground. We're going to put blue in the middle here. So for blue, I'm going to use turquoise and parakeet, because the parakeet is also, it's a little T next to it. So it's going to be kind of a greeny He's kind of, is it? I am color challenged, but I think it's kind of like greeny blue. But anyway, here we go. There's that. And then on the green side, which will be, no, I'm going to do the purple side up here and the green on the bottom. Yeah, I'm switching it, changing my mind as I go. But for the green side, I'm using Granny Apple because it splits into a beautiful light blue. And then to give it depth, I'm going to use Wasabi, which is also a turquoise base. So, I'm going to do purple first. I'm only going to do one side because that's how I roll. And so I'm going to go with just the raspberry, believe it or not. Can you see it? Can you see how gorge? Oh, I can never get this. Can you see? No. Look. Look how gorge. Now you can see. Look at that. One day. You know, how long have I been doing this? You guys, how long? And I keep saying one of these days. So we're gonna go with the raspberry on the top, and this is a gorgeous color, remarkably purple. That's a lot. That's a lot. So there's that. There's the raspberry. Put this away, and then I'm gonna hit it. Then on top with the blue violet. I'm in love with this color. It is stunning. And I'm going to then go in on the negative spaces all the way around where we didn't have. Go a little more. And there is our raspberry. In the middle, we're going to do the blue. So we're going to go in with the parakeet first, the light color. I like the parakeet because it's granular. It's not so powdery and it doesn't clump. It just really, it's like sand. And I'm going to overlap the lines. And that's it, because it's so sandy. It just, I freaking love it. I feel like there's more control than with the powder. Look, it's already breaking. It's already breaking. And then this is the last of this of turquoise. And I don't think that's turquoise. Really? It says turquoise. Well, here we go. We're going to use it. And we're going to also kind of blur it a little bit over into the other. We're going to let these middle sections kind of transition into the other colors. I just spilled it. Tish. And then we're going to go with the Granny Apple. I love this color too. And I'm going to go pretty hard with it. That little corner. And then we'll give it some depth with the wasabi. The wasabi is granular as well. And we're just going to go around the ends with the wasabi and kind of over the middle. I don't want it to overtake that Granny Apple. Okay. Ooh, give it a zhuzh. Yes, make those fibers thirsty. Zhuzh it up. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, now you know what's next. Let's put the kettle on. Coming in with the hot water. Are we ready, kids? Are we ready? Okay, here we go. Ooh, I'm gonna start on this end. Y'all, we're only gonna do one side. Ooh, is she pretty? Can you see? Can you see? I let my water come to a boil. Some people say that it is specific temperature per color. I haven't run into that. It doesn't mean that I am correct. It just means that I have not experienced that. Oh yeah. And then we're going into the blue. Can you see? Can you see? Oh my god. Short attention span theater. I love it. Because I know I can rinse this out in just about, I don't know, 3 hours or so. Oh, let's get into that purple. I'll run some of that. Yes, 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 right here. Look at that raspberry. Look, look, look at that raspberry. Hello, beautiful. Hello, beautiful. Oh my god. Blue violet. I love you. Oh my god. I'm so fickle. I love them all. Oh yeah. Oi, 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 oi. We're getting a good drench on this. Oh my god, this is going to be stunning. You know what? Just cut the shirt off at the top and just wear that and let the this right here. That's gorgeous. It did go heavy. That purple's going to be really hot. Okay, boy. I'm just going to give a little bit more hot water. It's not going to hurt nothing. Because basically the color's already set. Yeah. Here we go. Okay. Now, I don't know. I guess I'll go put on a cup of coffee or something. Because I got to wait now. I'm going to go do laundry. We'll be back in a little bit. Are you ready? Oh, stop. That's all I got to say. Look. Look at that. Oh. Look. Can I tell you how much I am in love with just this right here? Boop, 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 boop. That right there. Oh my gosh, these colors. These colors came out to, oh my gosh. Okay, so let's look. Not at the cat hair. Miss Ma'am decided that she was going to take a nap. I mean, I got to wash it again because she did that, but I wanted to show it to you. So there, I just took the cat hair off. Come here, come here, come here. Come closer. Oh, good Lord. Down here, the granny apple and the wasabi. And see here we have this common turquoise, see? When they break out. And then we went up into blue violet, parakeet. This, did I talk about this right here? That I just love. Oh my gosh. But then that parakeet and that turquoise through here. This, stunning. Right here, but look, look. Oh my god, these lines. And then we went up then into the blue violet and the raspberry. And look, see this turquoise? See where the turquoise came out? Here, here, even in that blue violet. See the cat hair? See Miss Ma'am's cat hair? Dadgum, that cat. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is perfect. In so many ways. Let's look at the back. A playground. It's a playground of turquoise. It's just stunning. Coming up across here. I'm just so happy with these color choices. And there's more color choices in the turquoise family that you can play with. And we'll do that. Just stunning. Just stunning. And there it is. Oh my gosh. Look. Look what we did today. Look at these colors. Don't be afraid of your colors. Study your colors. study your color groups. You don't want to make mud. Maybe you do want to make mud. Maybe it's a design that has a lot of dark and smoky and, you know, mysterious patterns, and the mud would break out great in that. Just don't be afraid to play. That's all. Because who knows? You might like it. We did this today. And if you'd like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe. I'll make sure that I put it in a playlist so it's easier for you to find. I really enjoy hanging out with you guys, trying new things, showing you guys things. I think I'm beyond the teaching for us beginners and how to do the basic tying and stuff, and we're just now playing. We're just playing, and I'm sharing it with you. So thanks for coming to hang out. I hope you like this one. And remember, be peaceful and be kind. It's important. I'll talk to you later. Oh, good. Almost fell down.